Hi, in this video I would like to show you example test cases which you can prepare for Qt based application. Now let's get started. Firstly, we would create virtual environment called testing underline Qt. Let's start. It takes few seconds perfectly. Now can activate our virtual environment like that. Good. Now we can create example folder for our test cases and our application. Good. Now we can install our required libraries. So pip install pytest-qt. Good. The second library which we would require is pyqt5. Okay, perfectly. After installing these two libraries, we can start to develop our example application inside my GitHub, which you can find in links in the description. I've created very simple application which have just one label, a button, but I think it would be sufficient for our example. So first we go to this directory, let's call it now. I'm creating new Python file. Okay. Okay, let's paste it here for application. Good. As you can see over there, we just creating a simple label with the text hello world. Here under we are just creating push button. Let's run this application to also see it in practice. Perfectly, and that's how looks our application. If we click the button here, the label should be changed like that. Perfectly. Okay, so right now we have our application, and let's assume that you would like to somehow develop test cases for it, which could be performed in an automated way. Of course, for test automation, a very good tool for it is pytest. And right now we just will be using pytest-qt to automate test cases for Qt based applications. So let's create, I will close the window here. Let's create file for the pytest tests. So new item, and let's create test.app for instance. Perfect. Good. Let's open it also with Notepad++. Now we can paste my second test case which I've created here, like here. Okay, we have here in this test module we have two tests. One test label and second test label after click. In the first test case we just checking if the text inside label is hello world, so like in the beginning or like at the startup of our application. And in the second test case we are performing mouse click action, and then we are performing assertion to check if the label have the new value. In The library pytest-qt is also recommended to use the fixture where we are performing so-called registration of our widget or our application, in fact, because this registration process, which you can see in the line number 11, this step, this instruction can assure that the application will be properly closed at the teardown of the test case, which might be important if you are performing several test cases in a row to assure that the previous test cases don't have an impact or any kind of influences of the new test cases. Okay, let's just try it out how it works. pytest and test up. Let's check how it works. Perfect, we have quite nice results. So basically that would be the most important, what I would like to show you in the video. Let me know if you have any kind of questions in the comments below, or if you would like to also see more videos in the topic just. So thank you for your attention, and just see you next time. Bye!